Good day, Pinoclixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And it's just right that we have multiple man. Let's go! Okay, so we have here four figures of multiple man. Okay, and they look the same, but they are different. Okay, so this is what we call sculpt reuse. So these three we've already looked on a separate previous video, and we'll just do a quick look at it. So this is Multiple Man from the Deadpool Weapon X set. He is a common, set number 13. Okay, and then we have the one from the Play at Home kit, set number 99, Multiple Man. Okay, and then we recently acquired the High Roller Multiple Man, an LE limited edition, huh, 002. Okay, and as you can see here, each of the multiple men have different power sets, point values, and dials. Okay, and the beauty with multiple men, and of course traits of this multiple men, is that they all work as long as you have the name multiple man. So I remember seeing in Facebook groups a team build of all multiple men. I tried to do also myself one version of it, but I just didn't have enough generic multiple man. Okay, so but those are the three that we have, and we're gonna look at the new addition to the multiple man club. This one. Okay, so I think this also a limited edition LE figure. We got this from eBay. Okay, so you can see here the sculpt is the same across all four rarities or figures. Okay, and but the card once again is different. Okay, so this sculpt I actually like because this is multiple man clapping his hands trying to order his duplicates to do things. Okay, I think in a research lab as part of the, what you call this, is it Krakoa age? I can't remember. Okay, but anyway, let's take a look at the card. Multiple Man has the X-Men team ability as well as the X-Men keywords and detective. He is MBF-204 and has a special damage power throughout his dial. There's enough of me to go around. Empower. Adjacent friendly characters can use Empower and the X-Men team ability. And that's really strong, okay, because um, this also applies to bystanders. Okay, so giving Empower to bystanders and everyone else is going to be really critical, especially if you are playing a full multiple man team. And of course, if you're close combat heavy, that is definitely beneficial. Okay, X-Men for bystanders, especially autonomous ones, maybe you'll be able to heal off from them. Okay, so if ever you get hurt. Okay, so, and yeah, that's it for multiple man. You can see throughout his dial for 40 points, he has plasticity, and then a vanilla attack power, vanilla, what you call this, attack. Okay, and then the first half of the dial, he has super senses. On the last half, he has regeneration, and again, one damage all throughout with that special damage power. Okay, so only for 40 points, and you need to hit him 8 times, assuming he doesn't roll the super senses. Uh, yeah, okay, so this is James Madrox. Madrox 2, 2004 is a significant appearance. Okay, so we have 4 multiple men. Which one is your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. That's multiple bye byes.